Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got a real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance to your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.
Come on and slam, and welcome to the jam. Come on and slam, if you wanna jam. Hey, you, what you gonna do? Hey, you, what you gonna do? Hey, you, what you gonna do? Hey, you, what you gonna do?
What?
Ryan said?
Ryan time?
Yeah.
Ryan's world time.
Look at bone. Bone.
Oh, it's a treasure chest. You ready to see what kind of treasure you got?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do this. Let's start opening it.
Ugh. Okay. Oh, I got a key.
You got it. It doesn't need a key. You pull it. Oh, whoa. What's in it?
It's. Whoa! Look at that one.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
It's boat.
It's a boat.
Whoa. Oh, look at.
Let me see. Yeah,
Boat.
show us.
Boat.
Wow. This is a really nice boat.
Yeah.
This is so cool. Can you turn it around? Oh my goodness. Turn it again. Wow. Awesome. Next.